Ka office jong ka district tuberculosis officer Hoid district mentaka sngi karpenter tarik leber kala Rakhe ya ka sngi jong ka Jingpang TB ne ka World TB Day ka bala ju Rakhe ha ka arpsau tarik leber ha baro ka wei ka perthai da ka Thong banrat dingkhong ya ka te ka jat Jingpang ka bala sar ya ki buon ki paj ba haduk kini kisi halor ka phang yes we can end TB ya ka te ka jing Rakhe la penlong ha Nongpoh parish hall ha ka bala wan ban shimbanta da u Professor JD Sharma Vice Chancellor ka School ba USTM Dr. SK Bora Purno A Sangma International Medical College USTM G Burgohain WHO Consultant NTEP Dr. TS Momin DMHO ka Ribhoy Dr. E Kalwing District Tuberculosis Officer Ribhoy ki officer na katanat ka kot ka khia ki nongmi khmat na ka Piramal Foundation ki khana school ki samla puli BSW jong ka Women's College Shillong but ki wei ki riurang ba ha ka te ka sngi na kaliang ka office DTO Ryngkat bat ka Piramal Foundation kum ka jingpan priang kubor but ai man siam ya ki badan benta banrat dingkhong ya ka Jingpang TB kalapun ko buramro ya ka jaka sumar ki nongthok kubor na ka district ka shnong balat na ka Jingpang TB bat ki wei
towards diagnosis and curing the disease. World TB Day is a day to educate the public about the impact of TB around the world. Tuberculosis remains a global health challenge despite significant progress in recent years. It is a highly contagious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Tuberculosis has been known to mankind since ancient times. Studies on Egyptian mummies 2400 to 3400 BC revealed the presence of skeletal deformities related to tuberculosis, such as characteristic pars deformities. Moreover, TB was mentioned in the Bible using the Hebrew words chachepet, which means consumption, to describe tuberculosis in Leviticus 26:16 and Deuteronomy 28:22. Tuberculosis was well documented in the ancient Greek as phthisis or consumption. In Book 1 of the Epidemics, Hippocrates described the symptom of phthisis, which is very much similar to the common characteristic of tuberculosis, lung lesions. More than 100 years ago, scientists developed a vaccine for TB. The VCG vaccine is the only licensed vaccine against TB today. If the vaccine is administered at birth, it provides good protection against what is called disseminated disease.
The tuberculosis bacteria, which was, as you all know, was first identified in 1882. Earlier to this, though, the disease was occurring since long, and in every country this was known by different ways, maybe myths, maybe also unwritten oral, and the oldest written documents, which was also told, was mentioned in the literature of India and China, and later on in other countries which followed. But scientifically, the coach confirmed that this bacterium, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, can cause disease. And you all know the coach hypothesis means the organism isolated from disease causing symptoms, then it can be cultured and also re-inoculated to a healthy person and same disease should be caused. Then only it is confirmed, yes, this disease is caused by this particular organism. So this is also known as Koch hypothesis or Koch bacteria. We all know that this bacterium is available in air, and any one of us can come in contact with this bacteria. Simply coming in contact with the bacterium does not mean we will have tuberculosis or TB, because each one of us have different level of the immunity.